In policing, we have people that we call headstrong, but dead wrong. This guy is definitely one of those people who think that they got it right, but they definitely got it wrong. And he's willing to lose a window and his freedom for all of this sovereign nonsense. Very good positioning of the vehicle. I like the way that he's approaching this stop from the beginning.
How you doing? Is there a reason why you guys are pulling me over?
Yeah, you were speeding.
I wasn't speeding.
Yes,
What's the emergency, sir?
I'm not rolling the window, sir. Like, we're not going to play these games with you.
I'm not going to play. I just want to know what the emergency
I'm
is,
saying you're
sir.
stopping for speeding.
I was not
Do you have
speeding.
a driver's license on you?
Here, I'll give you my information.
Yeah. You want probation or parole?
I'm going to give you my information, sir. Hold on.
Beginning of the stop, and he's at least talked himself into a ticket, for sure.
I'm not committing any crime. I just want to know why do you guys have your emergency lights on? What's the emergency?
I just told you. You're being stopped because you were speeding.
Are you recording this, please?
Yes, we are recording.
You are recording?
Everything. License and registration, please.
Here's your information, sir. I got you right here.
Hey, sir, I don't like you reaching around.
I'm
going to have to ask you to step out of the vehicle.
Here, I don't want to step out of the vehicle
No,
because I feel like I'm under
law.
arrest.
I'm going to have you step out of the vehicle. Listen, either step out of the vehicle, I'm going to break the glass and I'm going to pull you out of the vehicle.
Can you please have your watch commander show up?
Step out of the vehicle
I would
now,
like
sir.
to have your watch commander show up, please, sir. Don't break my window.
I'm asking
Please,
you right now.
sir, don't
step
break
out
my
of the vehicle,
window.
then.
I'm
Step out of the
recording
vehicle,
this for
please.
my own safety. I'm under arrest. Please do not break my window. I didn't commit a crime.
Step out of the vehicle.
Sir, I did not commit a crime. I will step out under arrest, please. I'll step out under
Okay,
arrest.
please step out.
I will, please. Please do not hurt me. I'm fearful for my life, for my safety right now. You're scaring me.
I'm giving you 3 seconds, sir. If you don't step out of the vehicle now, I'm going to break the glass and you're going to get pulled out.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm doing it right now.
Sir, one.
I'm allowed to record.
One.
Sir. Whoa.
Okay, I look at this from a sergeant's perspective. The officer is 100% within his legal right to do this. Pennsylvania versus Mims said this several times before. It's the right to pull the person out of the vehicle for officer safety. But my challenge is the way that he breaches the vehicle. It looks great, and if you're a spectator from the outside, you're going to really enjoy watching that window get broken. But now my officer has just used his bare hands to break a window and likely is going to be injured. And then am I now down an officer? And are you, the citizens, down an officer while this officer heals? We'll see.
You're hurting me, sir. Please, I'm not resisting. Can you record? Please, somebody record. Somebody record this, please. Somebody record this. Somebody record this. Somebody record this. Somebody record this. Ow, yeah.
Relax.
I'm hurt. I'm hurt.
Relax.
You don't have to hurt me. I'm complying. You're hurting me. I'm not complying.
Relax. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. I comply, sir. My elbow's broken. My elbow's broken.
Fighting, dude.
I
You're
comply,
cool.
sir.
You're relaxed.
I relax. I complied. I'm in pain. I'm in pain. You're hurting me.
You're okay.
You're hurting me. You're hurting me. Go to the hospital. You're hurting me. Record this, please. Please record this. Please record this live. My name is Quinn Bass. My name is Quinn Bass.
Okay, the guy's yelling that his name is Quinn Bass, Quinn Bass. I often try to do research on the people, and I looked at his social media, and he has a whole bunch of this Moorish sovereign stuff still posted. So when I said in policing, we say headstrong but dead wrong, there's a group of them that believe this stuff to be true, but they're dead wrong. It always ends up like this.
I got you guys' cameras. Yeah, we'll get you guys out right now. Okay, give us a second. Are you able to squeeze through?
I'm gonna try.
You gonna try?
Yeah.
If you can, I'll try to move it.
Okay, I'll try to get out.
Okay. Did you guys see anything that happened? No, you didn't. You did?
Did you see anything that happened, he said? No, he wasn't paying attention. We were in there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no worries.
Sorry.
No, you guys are fine. Thank you.
Very good stuff. Attempting to get witnesses. Whenever you use force, when you see the officers looking for witnesses to get voluntary statements, it definitely shows that the officer knows that he's in the right and wants to make sure that he has independent witnesses to assist him, especially with a guy like this.
Was anybody here watching? Are you watching? Did anybody see any of this? Did anybody see any of this? You're sitting right here, right?
Oh, no. Y'all need some alcohol.
Yeah, don't be drinking that in front of me. How long have you guys been sitting for?
It's just pulled up right now.
For right now? Did you guys see any of this happen?
I heard the beer.
Did you see anything? Did you see any of this happen?
Again, very good. You can see that the officer is extraordinarily conscientious getting independent witness or attempting to get independent witnesses. 1 point, cop scoop. If you fill out a voluntary statement or some type of statement, if you put your personal information as far as your address and phone number, that's open to discovery in most jurisdictions. So be careful the information that you leave. I encourage you to fill out a voluntary statement. However, be careful with the information you put on that form.
What am I being charged with?
Sir, listen, we're not going to keep explaining to you. We've already told you. You knew the circumstances beforehand,
What am I being
okay?
charged with, sir?
With resisting arrest, felony resisting arrest.
And what's the initial charge?
Was for speeding. Yeah, we'll just jump on the 210 and then,
How deep are your cuts?
I will need your business cards.
No, you're getting a report number and that's it.
You hear the officers exchange how deep your cut. So obviously the officer was at least minor injuries to his hand. Is that his dominant hand that he may have to utilize his firearm to engage someone after or get into a foot pursuit and chase someone? Is the better tactic wait a few seconds, get gloves, or breach the window with a window punch the way that it should be breached? My critique is not that he's a bad officer, but the purpose of watching these is just like we do in debriefing and policing. We talk about things that we could have potentially done better, and he definitely could have breached that window better.
Walk this way.
This way.
Yeah, we're gonna walk over to the entrance.
My elbow is so fucking bad.
It's your right one that's messed up?
More than my left. And then when you guys slammed me in my lap, I
Yeah,
felt,
your face is cut. So we're gonna get that
well,
treated too.
no, I feel concussed too. I felt like
Okay. So they'll probably have to do an MRI as well. Where do you want me to sit? Sit him. We gotta scan him first.
Don't worry, brother. I ain't got nothing, man. Oh, this hurts so bad.
Right here. And everything.
He's chewing on long window glass right now.
So now the whole hospital process, which is long. The officer and the suspect are at the hospital. They have to be checked in. They have to be evaluated. There are a whole bunch of people potentially in line. And this officer is now out of service this entire time for something that started off as a traffic violation.
Take a seat, sir.
Right, man. I'm in a lot of pain.
Okay, we'll get you treated, get you taken care of.
Of all my years, and I deal with law, bro. You ain't go to law school, man. And to sit here and have people, ooh, this shit hurts. And to have people that I plan on working with do this to me.
Answer her questions, okay?
Oh, this shit
Do you have
hurts.
any cough, shortness of breath?
I don't have any COVID symptoms, ma'am. No.
Okay, I have to
I'm
ask
just
you all
not-
the questions, okay?
Yes,
Nausea,
ma'am.
vomiting, diarrhea,
No, ma'am.
any body aches, loss of taste or
Only
smell,
body ache I have is what was inflicted on me by the police.
sore throat, runny nose,
No, ma'am.
fever, chills.
No, I think my elbow's broken up.
Let's scan your temperature, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I get a wristband now?
Yeah.
I haven't been here for a while.
I'll be right back. Anything.
Alright.
So this incarceritis intake at the hospital, the man hours that are wasted for a person who's also likely going to file some type of complaint against the officer. And I've investigated those, and I don't know if he did or did not, but those take hours to investigate the complaint, review the hospital records, review body cam footage, all for something that's sort of so minor. Headstrong, but dead wrong.
Pretty nice slam, bro. You got me pretty good. Oh, this shit hurts. I'm in a lot of pain.
No,
we're over-
I know we're over it right now, so this is the deal, okay, man. I want to make sure that you're fine.
I'm not.
Okay, so as long as you treat us like with respect, like a man, I'm gonna treat you the
I'm-
same way, okay?
bro,
I'll make sure I take care of you as much as
I'm
I
a Navy
can.
veteran, bro. I would
That's
never.
fine.
I don't disrespect nobody, bro.
Do you need to check in too?
I'll wait for my sergeant.
Okay. Do you want
Brother.
some stuff to wipe up with?
Oh, I need to get pictures
Yes,
first,
you
and then
understand. I'm a Navy war vet, and I serve my country with honor, bro. That's what you don't understand. I don't do. Just, here's what you need to understand.
What's so wild is if had he mentioned that in the beginning of the stop, as opposed to playing the sovereign thing, he might have gotten off with a warning. In my experience, I was a Marine. Interactions with military members is often very cordial and jovial, and we give military members a lot of breaks, but sovereigns always end up in jail.
But like I said before, even me just about to go to law school and work with gentlemen like you guys, even with routine excuse me, I'm in a lot of pain. Even with routine traffic stops, guys, there's a way you conduct yourself. You don't put people under duress to the point where you're breaking your shit and you slam them into their own glass.
When he asked you to open the door, you need to open the door.
No, that's not how procedure works.
Yeah, that's how the law is. That's case law, buddy.
No, case law is, let me tell you how law works. It's called probable cause. If there's no emergency, if there's no report of a crime, and if
Okay, dude.
there's
If
no
you wanna go take
suspicion
care
of,
of
if
that.
there's no suspicion of a crime, sir, you guys you can't make contact with nobody. And if you
not true. That's not true.
I have the case law.
That's not
support.
true.
Let me also school you on something.
Alright.
Because even if you're gonna make contact with anybody, There's still protocol and procedure that you do.
Rico's
It doesn't require
right now
entrance.
on the jail wall.
3
He said
minutes?
you guys can go to lockup.
Lockup?
Yeah.
Do you want us to go this way or do you want us to cut through
Door
inside?
opens. So you guys can.
Okay, yeah, I'll escort him into lockup.
Yeah, and then he'll get you guys as soon as he's ready. Okay.
You got it.
She's gonna come out and make you a shirt real quick. Wait for her, and then you guys can go in. Okay.
Okay.
That's not how you do it.
Hello.
Do you have information for him?
Quinn.
You
Q-U-I-N-N.
ask me, I can answer for you.
What's your last name, sweetheart?
Go ahead.
I'm Bass, man. B-A-S-S. God, this shit hurts so bad.
First name?
Quinn. Q-U-I-N-N.
Date of birth?
Mark. This shit hurts.
Have you been here before, sweetheart?
Yes, ma'am. For something similar to a police officer injured me and I was brought here the same way.
Little cop scoop here. If you ever go to the hospital, intake nurse, charge nurse, don't ever piss either of those two people off. They can make your life miserable, or they can make it really great as well.
17? All right, do me a favor, stand up. Hang on one sec. I gotta
Yes,
put
sir.
this mask on.
No worries. Oh, this shit hurts so bad.
Had this individual acted like a mature adult male and followed the officer's simple request for his driver license, registration, and proof of insurance, we wouldn't be here. If you know someone who would potentially fall down this rabbit hole, this is the video you should share with them. I can tell you that in my experience on the street, I've never, not once, ever seen this work. So now we see the officer mention this felony resisting charge, and then the financial ramifications of dealing with this nonsense and all of the other stuff that goes along with being arrested. So if you like this kind of content, like and subscribe. And there should be another video that's on your screen. And if there is, click on it so you can see more content just like this.